Okay, now that you have the code repository set up, there are a few dependencies before you can start the service. Documented those dependencies here. You need Python 3.11. Just set it up on your laptop or machine, wherever you're using it. Then you need a Supabase account. You can create a free Supabase account here. Just go and create one account and you should be able to set up 2 projects. That should be good enough for the MVP. So we will use Supabase for authentication for Postgres as well as for file storage in this set of demos. Then you will need one of Dodo Payments or Stripe for billing integration. Depending on whatever is available in your country, you can choose one. But for the demo, we will be using Dodo Payments for now. We'll do a Stripe demo later. So now I have cloned the code in my local and I'm using PyCharm to make the code modifications. So first we'll see how to fill up these environment variables. These are the set of variables that we need for the service to run. And assuming that you have already created your Supabase project, you would have an organization and a project like this. Go to the project settings. You should see, go to data API. You'll get the project URL. Just copy and paste it over here. Then go to API keys. Copy this public key and paste it here. Right. Next up, we need the service role and the JWT secret. Both of these are secrets. So you can reveal this and then copy and paste it over here for service role. And for the JWT signing secret, you can do the same, reveal the secret and then paste it here. Right. So with this, these 4 variables are done. So before moving on to the next set of variables, we'll try to see how to set up the Postgres tables. All right, so before jumping into the other environment variables, let's go and quickly create the tables in Postgres. So you should see a folder called DB migration in your code base. There are 3 SQL files. We need to run the SQLs one after the other. Not set up Alembic yet, so this has to be done manually. Just copy this, go to Supabase. So we are using Supabase Postgres here, but if you are using the different Postgres provider, then you can do that over there as well. But let's quickly go here. So go to SQL editor, create a new snippet, and then paste the first SQL, then run the selected queries. You should see success like this. Now let's go and copy paste this. Same success should be shown. Then we are going to create a new role. So by default, the Postgres admin that you get from Supabase, that will have admin access. So we shouldn't be using that for our application. So we'll create a special role called API user and give it permissions only to the tables that we are going to add for our service. So I'm not going to show how to run this. I'll just change this password and then run it offline. So you guys do the same. So I'm assuming you guys have changed the password and run this. With this, the Postgres setup is done. So let's go and check if the tables have been created. So go to table editor, go to your schema. So you should see the set of all tables that we need for our application to run. Okay, so next up, let's try to fill this database URL from Supabase. So go to your Supabase account and go to table editor and click this connect. And scroll down and then copy the session pooler. Then paste it over here. Let's put it here. Right. So instead of Postgres, we are going to use API user and change this to whatever your password that you used for while creating this role. Just change it to that. One more thing, we are going to use psycopg. So just change it to that. Right. So this should be a database URL. And for Dodo payments, this should be straightforward. There will be a lot of documentation on Dodo payments website to get the API key and webhook secrets. Just go and do that.